Ganesh Chaturthi is a Hindu festival celebrating the arrival of Lord Ganesh to earth from Kailash with his mother goddess Parvati. Ganesh Chaturthi was first observed, publicly celebrated in Pune, since the era of King Shivaji, 1630 to 1680, founder of the Maratha Empire. It became a major social and public event with sponsorship of Shivaji after Mughal Maratha Wars. There is a beautiful linkage between Ganesh Chaturthi and Independence Day. After British invasion on India, the Ganesh festival lost state patronage and became a private family celebration in Maharashtra. In 1893, the Indian freedom fighter Lokmanya Tilak praised the celebration of Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav in his newspaper, Kesari, and dedicated his efforts to launch the annual domestic festival into a large, well-organized public event. Gangadhar Tilak recognized Ganesh appeal as the god for everybody. He chose Ganesh as the god that bridged the gap between Brahmins and non-Brahmins, thereby building a grassroots unity across them to oppose British colonial rule. In 1893, Tilak helped expand Ganesh Chaturthi festival into a mass community event and a hidden means for political activism, intellectual discourse, poetry recitals, plays, concerts, and folk dances. At home, the festival preparation includes purchases such as puja items or accessories a few days in advance. The public pandals have elaborate decoration and lighting. The festival is celebrated with the installation of Ganesh clay idols or turmeric idols privately in homes, or publicly on white pandals. Families decorate a small, clean portion of the house with flowers and other colorful items before installing the idol. When the murti is installed, it and its shrine are decorated with flowers and other materials. On the day of the festival, the ceremonial installation of the clay idol is done along with chants of holy mantras and puja including bhajans during a certain auspicious period of the day. In South India, the idol of goddess Gauri or Parvati is also installed along with the idol of Lord Ganesh. The date for the festival is usually decided according to Hindu calendar by the presence of Chaturthi Tithi. The festival is held during the month Bhadrapada at afternoon. The celebration include chanting of Vedic hymns and Hindu texts such as prayers, Sahasranama, and by fasting throughout the day. In the ceremony, a priest performs a prana pratishtha to invite Ganesh like a guest. This is followed by the 16th-step, Shodashopachara ritual, during which coconut, jaggery, modaks, dhurava grass and red hibiscus flowers are offered to the idol. Offerings and prasadam from the daily prayers include sweets such as modhaka. The sweet food modhaka, primarily prepared by Devi Parvati, is believed to be a favorite food of Lord Ganesh. A modak is a dumpling made from rice or wheat flour, stuffed with grated coconut, jaggery, dried fruits and other condiments and steamed or fried. These offerings are known as Naivadya, and a plate of modak traditionally holds 21 pieces of the sweet. The ceremony commences with hymns from the Rigveda, the Ganapati Atharvashirsa, the Upanishads and the Ganesh Stotra prayer from the Nardha Purana are chanted. The festival ends on the 10th or 15th day after start, while the idol is carried in a public procession with music and group chanting, then immersed in a nearby water such as a river or sea. Thereafter the clay idol dissolves in water body and it is believed that Lord Ganesh is returned to Mount Kailash with his mother goddess Parvati. Ganesha is widely known as the remover of obstacles, Vignhartha. The patron of arts and sciences and the deva of intellect and wisdom, Vedant. As the god of beginnings, he is honored at the start of rites and ceremonies, Prathama Puja. In the Ganapatya tradition of Hinduism, Ganesha is the supreme deity. The large elephant head of Lord Ganesha symbolizes wisdom, understanding, and a discriminating intellect that one must possess to attain perfection in life. Siddhi Buddhi Vinayaka. I wish you all a happy Gauri and Ganeshotsava.